Here's Potato app. So what is that? So this is one of the alternatives for Telegram. It recently started to really climb really high in the charts. You can see number 19 in the charts. It's kind of very similar to Zangi if you heard about it, and kind of like basically WhatsApp or Telegram alternative. It has a lot of storage. You can send big images, big files for free here. You can have really large group chats and group chat calls, 200,000 members plus for free. You can send unlimited amount of photos to your friends. This app is quite secure, it's fast, it's reliable. So yeah, you can just see it here. You can also use it with ChatGPT for free, as I understand. And then yeah, here it is. So you can just open it up. It's kind of how it looks like. Looks like Telegram. You can just create groups, create channels, invite friends. We are searching or by scanning. Then there are some friends recommendations, not yet. And then there are chats. You can add new contact here in the top right. You can create secret chat and then there are some stickers. So yeah, very kind of minimalistic design. I like it. And then you can call here. You can see data and storage. So privacy permissions, chat settings here, share to friends. You can just see it here. Some account security. You can enable passwords. You can enable additional Face ID, 2FA, two-step verification. You can also delete your account here at the bottom. Automatically delete your account if you're away. So yeah, that's the app. I mean, the main positive thing is like a lot of things here are for free, and they allow a lot of users for free and quite a lot of files and storage for free. I don't know how secure is this app, or can you rely on it a lot. It's just a kind of recently started to climb in the rankings. You can see it was in the App Store for a while. The ratings are not that good yet. Some people say it's like it has a lot of bugs. It has quite junky. Can't sign up, doesn't work. Can't make an account. So that's just some of the, and you can see it's popular in China. So probably it's mostly was like a Chinese app. Now they're releasing it to United States. So I mean, try it out.